Hi everyone, thanks for watching. In this video series, I will demonstrate to you the TIG welding torch. This is called the WP9 straight torch, straight TIG torch. So for more detailed specification about TIG welding torch, you can always view our shop, or you can call us for more information. Because there are many different types of welding torch that sometimes you require for us to consult you. So for WP9 series, there are many type of model as well, like WP9, WP9V, FV, and so on. So thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe as well.